Beautiful day to work in your car and also change some intake manifold gaskets. This is where we're going to start. This is the intake. This has to go up. You have to remove everything to remove the intake. Remember, memorize your connections. If you don't know your engine, you can use numbers, for example, 3 and 3. Also 4 and 4. So if you remove this from here, you know it goes back here. So let's start. This is the intake and this is an air filter, a sport one, K and N. Once we remove it, this is washable. Well, not so dirty, let's wash it anyway. Remember to apply some degreaser before you mount it back. Pay attention to the order. Unscrew the bolts in the reverse order of mounting the car. Try to use the correct tools for the job. For example, I have an extensor, an universal joint, another extensor, so the bolts comes out easily. With all the bolts removed, you are ready to lift this up. Check if it moves. Upper intake, lower intake, and the gaskets.
This is an intake manifold gasket. Out with the old, in with the new.
With the upper intake out of the way, this is the big challenge. This is what it looks like. We have to remove the lower intake, which is this one. Remember the hint, unscrew the bolts in the reverse order. You can also check the image and the numbers to help you out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the day was over, together with the camera battery. 7 AM in the morning on a Sunday, next day. Let's keep it going with the Mustang. Here we go.
Changing the 1996 Mustang, this is what an intake manifold looks like. Everything removed already. The lower intake, the upper intake. I had to disconnect the fuel rail to remove the injectors, the coil, the radiator hose,
The thermostat, the air intake.
I had to remove everything, so that one could move.
So now let's mount it back, starting with the lower intake, which goes right here, and after that the upper intake, which goes on top. We also have the new gaskets, which are these ones. These go down here, and this one goes over there, nice and tidy. Let's mount it up, change the gaskets, and get her running.